Hey guys, this is day 6 of my 365 tool challenge, and today I'm going to explore Replit AI. And using Replit AI, we can build a full website just in 1 minute. So let's get started now. So I'll type just replit.com, and you can sign up. You can create account, or you can log in if you already have a login before. So now let's sign up. I am going to sign up with a Google account. Yeah, so now so this is this is a free version. So if you want additional feature, you can upgrade from you can click on the upgrade button here in the bottom left corner, and ask me what describe you best. So I'm gonna say you can choose any of them. So I'll say developer. Click next. How did you hear about Replit? I hear about this from YouTube. Click next. I don't want to do it right now, so I'll just go next. I'm going to try free version today, so let's check this. Continue with the starter, and now here you got some meet agent for. Now click next. So now let's get started. So there's so many features here, but I'm gonna with today I'll just ask build a web app. You can see here, so you can build a website, mobile app, you can design, you can build a 3D game, you can create a document. So I'll ask, so build a web app for my clothing, I'll say fitness clothing brand, which is called, I'll say FitX. And we can see like we have to wait maybe 3-4 minutes. So I'll pause the video for now because it might take maybe 5 or 10 minutes. So and we can also see what's happening here. So and I don't know, want to accept notification. So we can also see what's happening here. So it's saying artifact is created now. Now I'll write the open API, and then now it's still working. Now it's running code gen. It's checking the API.index.ts to fix the export conflict. The type folder, the export type that conflict with the code gen again override the index.ts. I need to check what the overall conflict output for the type file. So we can see even the database is ready now, and schema post. Now it's checking the route files. Now our website is ready now, so we can see preview here. So you can see the brand logo as well. So it's FitX, and you can check. So you can shop from here. You can click on categories to check what different categories here. So as here outwear, sport bras, and yeah, that's I think yeah it just took few minutes and it's ready. And I didn't write even one code, so it's, and after finish everything, it's still checking some. Now we can publish here, so you just click on publish, and now you can share your website with anyone. So now it's getting published now. It will take maybe 1 or 2 minutes more, and then after that, yeah, you can share with anyone. You can share with your friend. Now we can confirm the now we can confirm if it's working. So just copy the link, domain link, and paste here, and it's still not published yet, so you still have to wait for this to be published. Now I think it's published. Now we can check again. Say your production database is ready. Your app can now save and manage live user data security. So let's try now. Still not working. Oh, now we got congrats notification. So now we can check. Now copy and paste the link, and you can see it should be working now. Here you go. So yeah, that's it's ready. Just totally it took me 5 minutes. So you can do the same. Yeah, that's all for today. I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.